All right, today we're going to learn how to make a tinted top. Now there are 7 colors of visible light in the light spectrum, which is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Now for the first step of making this tinted top, you're going to cut out a circle out of a paper plate. It can be as big or as small as you want, just enough to make it a top. Now mine's already cut, so I have that step already done here. Now what you'll do, you'll make a reference point at the middle of your circle, and then you're gonna section off 7 different areas where you'll actually color in each of the different colors. Now it doesn't have to be perfect. You can fix it as you go. So it's gonna look a little something like this. Now after that's done, you're actually going to color in each of the sections a different color, and it'll look something like that. After, you're going to poke a hole through the center using your pencil, being sure that the pointed side is on the bottom of your top. And then you'll go ahead and just use the rubber bands to secure the paper on the pencil. Now, the colors objects appear the way they do because of how light interacts with them. So I'm wearing a purple shirt, and actually all the colors are being absorbed by this shirt, and it's reflecting purple. So the only color that's not being absorbed is purple, which is what allows us to see it. Now with your top, you'll go ahead and investigate and spin it. And spoiler alert, it should actually turn white, because white light is a combination of all the colors, all 7 of these colors, which we see every day. For more videos like this, please visit azscience.org or go to our Facebook or Instagram. Thank you.